The Subway Diet. A delicious journey to healthier eating. Are you looking for a diet that balances satisfying your taste buds and helping you shed those extra pounds? The Subway Diet might be the answer you're seeking. The intricacies of the Subway Diet, its effectiveness, and how you can embark on this flavorful journey towards better health. The Subway Diet isn't just another fad. It's a flexible and practical approach to weight management. It gained prominence when Jared Fogle, an individual who claimed to have lost significant weight by incorporating Subway sandwiches into his diet, shared his story. The birth of the Subway Diet. Jared's remarkable weight loss story piqued the interest of many. He reportedly substituted high-calorie meals with lower-calorie Subway sandwiches and practiced portion control. This propelled the Subway Diet into the spotlight and garnered attention from health enthusiasts and researchers alike. The principles of the Subway Diet. The Subway Diet is built on making healthier choices without compromising on flavor. It involves choosing lean protein sources, whole grain bread, and many fresh vegetables. The diet aims to keep you satisfied by focusing on nutrient-rich options while managing your calorie intake. Creating a nutrient-rich sandwich. Crafting a Subway sandwich that's both delicious and nutritious is an art. Start with a whole grain bread base. Pile on lean protein such as turkey or grilled chicken, and load up on a rainbow of veggies. Opt for condiments like mustard or vinegar instead of high-fat sauces to keep your creation wholesome. Exploring the menu choices. Subway offers a diverse menu that caters to various tastes and dietary preferences. From classic options like the Veggie Delight to protein-packed choices like the Italian BMT, there's something for everyone. You have the freedom to customize your sandwich to fit your nutritional goals. Benefits of the Subway Diet. The Subway Diet's advantages extend beyond weight loss. With increased consumption of vegetables and whole grains, you may experience improved digestion, increased energy levels, and enhanced overall well-being. Plus, the diet's flexibility makes it sustainable for the long term. A day in the life of a Subway dieter. Curious about what a day on the Subway Diet looks like? Kickstart your morning with a hearty breakfast sandwich, savor a mouth-watering turkey breast sub for lunch, and indulge in a flavorful salad for dinner. Snack smartly with apple slices or yogurt to keep those hunger pangs at bay. Making informed choices. The role of portion control. While Subway sandwiches can be a healthier alternative, portion control remains crucial. Opt for a 6-inch sub instead of a foot-long, and choose baked chips or a side salad as accompaniments. This strategy helps you maintain calorie balance and prevent overindulgence. Complementing your diet with exercise. Pairing the Subway Diet with regular physical activity amplifies its benefits. Engage in activities you enjoy, whether jogging, dancing, or cycling. Exercise not only aids weight loss but also boosts your mood and supports cardiovascular health. The science behind the Subway Diet. The Subway Diet's success lies in its emphasis on balanced nutrition. Focusing on lean proteins, whole grains, and vegetables provides your body with essential nutrients for optimal functioning. Consultation with a healthcare professional can help you tailor the diet to your needs. Addressing common misconceptions. Like any popular concept, the Subway Diet has its fair share of misconceptions. One common myth is that you can eat unlimited Subway sandwiches and still lose weight. While they're a healthier option, moderation and overall calorie intake remain vital factors. Staying motivated on your journey. Maintaining motivation is vital on any dietary journey. Set realistic goals, celebrate your achievements, and don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up occasionally. Surround yourself with a supportive community, and remind yourself why you began on this path. Dining out and social situations. Navigating social gatherings and eating out while on the Subway Diet requires some planning. Opt for salads, open-faced sandwiches, or share a footlong with a friend. It's all about making conscious choices and balancing enjoyment and health. The Subway Diet isn't just about losing weight. It's a lifestyle shift towards mindful eating and improved well-being. By embracing nutrient-dense options and portion control, you can relish flavorful meals while progressing towards your health goals.